Hey, what's up guys? I showed you this house a few YouTube videos back. We've just done the stucco on the exterior, and let's go ahead and show you how the progress of the rehab is coming along. Okay, so now we're inside this house. So we stuccoed the exterior of the house as a frame house, and some of the stucco at the bottom needed repair, so we got a stucco company to come out and do that. Another thing we did with this house, which we don't normally do, is we actually installed an alarm system, because if you recall from the previous YouTube video, we did have a break-in. I actually broke in twice to this property, so we actually called ADT to come out and install this alarm system over here, and since then it's been great. So let me show you what the progress of how this looks right now. We're using the luxury vinyl floor, and that's what it looks like. And the kitchen, basically we've ripped the kitchen out. We've got a kitchen company that came in and gave us a new design, so they're actually maximizing the space over here. And then the walls, we're going with this gray color, which you can see, right? It's a very gray. And the kitchen's going to basically be white and stainless steel and the gray countertops. This is what the bedrooms look like. Let's just go ahead and rotate that for you guys. And I think you'll get a better viewpoint of it if I actually just do a little pan and zoom around. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm just going to do a little pano showing you all the different rooms so you can get a feel for the layout. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and now I'm in the kitchen and we're just waiting for that to be delivered, which is happening in a few days. And as soon as that's done, we just got that to do, and then paint the exterior of the house, and we should be done. So I'm anticipating putting this on the MLS in the next 2 or 3 weeks. This house was originally a rental. It was purchased for $32,000. It's probably going to go on the MLS for $195,000. All right, so I'll do one more video in a couple of weeks showing you guys the end result, so you can see 3 videos showing start, mid, and finish. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe channel, and I'll see you on the next video.